They got the military people living on a diet.
There's a lot of other stuff in that pack though. You'll be full.
True.
And it's like calorie packed. Alright, welcome back to Beach Area Customs. Today we have a pretty good video for you guys, and we are eating some MRE, meal ready to eat, government army meals. Get a shot of it. Department of Defense. We're gonna crack it open and see what is inside and how it tastes and just what we think about it.
How do you peel it?
Bro, you gotta... I'm in, you gotta peel the top. It's like opening like a Gaffins bar.
Bro, how?
Chicken pesto pasta. Tux was hard to read, I couldn't read that at all. Stop, you have to go like this, bro.
Oh my gosh.
Quick and easy.
We got penne with vegetable sausage, crumbles, and spicy tomato sauce.
Wow.
Healthy meals. This is one you get at school.
Alright, my first look.
This is more than we get at school, for real.
Wow. Military packaged. Military grade. Alright. Hot beverage bag. That's the first thing that I see. Hot beverage. You could make some of that bag rice in this, bro. Beverage bag sleeve. Ooh.
This is
That's
crazy.
pretty dope. I like that.
I have to keep this.
We're not gonna use that, of course. We don't need to make any hot water or anything.
Congratulations, you played yourself.
Where
I told you the king of silverware. Got a nice
chocolate and peanut spread. I got dessert.
Bro. Alright, let's sift through. All the bags look the same.
Lemon lime, beverage powder, Gatorade.
Fruit punch. Cheese spread.
First, nutritious energy bar.
Dry roasted peanuts. Look at those. Look at those, bro.
Oh,
That's
no.
interesting.
A white wheat snack bread. So you got some bread slices.
Italian breadsticks. Ooh. What? Yeah.
Nut raisin mix. I got the nice
Apple turnover. Now we're talking.
moist towelettes and breath mint.
Breath mints.
Patriotic
Sugar cookies. The sugar
Oh,
cookie
no.
joints.
What?
What is this? Bro, what's up with the
Yeah, I don't know.
It's maybe to keep the pasta. What is this?
But here's the actual pot.
Chicken pesto. Alright, doesn't come with anything to cook with, but Tucker's right. There are some little goodies and gum in the extra bag of like accessories. Those are matches too, that's pretty dope.
Really?
Alright,
Oh,
how
the
about this?
pepper?
How about we crack open the accessory bag? What do you think about the accessory bag? Just let's get it open.
What accessory? Oh, this?
Just a little
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, see what's in here.
The hardest thing I've ever opened in my life.
Nah, you're struggling with this whole thing.
What is that? Is that the stuff that...
Yeah, get it open so you can look. That's like some help you light a fire. Like some of that. Isn't that no, this is a napkin. That's what it is. Yeah, it is. It folds out.
Crazy.
Give me it.
Wow.
You're overthinking the whole opening deal. This is a napkin. We'll keep this.
What do you got? Creamer.
Ooh.
Instant coffee. That's
Right,
what
I
the
probably
water's
know.
for. That's what the water's for.
Water. Coffee instant, freeze dried.
Salt.
Creamer, non-dairy.
Sugar. Yep, I got that.
Iodized salt, yeah.
Towelette.
We got some gum in a red
Matches.
pack. Ooh, it's white on that side.
Matches.
I know, I saw that. That's pretty plain.
Some breath mint. And
Alright.
a napkin.
First of all, Tuck, I want to thank you for supplying these.
No problem.
Go follow Tuck on Instagram. Tucker0917 at 09 at Tucker0917. But what are you breaking into?
The white wheat snack bread. I just got some slices of...
I'm gonna
slices
open
of
my
bread, I think.
dry roasted peanuts.
Oh, this looks like some Italian bread.
Smells like some legit peanuts.
Interesting. See how it tastes. Pretty
Does look
good.
interesting. Looks like a little bread slice. You like it?
It's alright.
The peanuts aren't too bad. They're peanuts. No, you can't have any, bro. That's dope. Put that up, bro. That's pretty clean. That's tough.
Energy bar.
We might have to go cook upstairs for a quick little segment.
I know, I don't know how you...
Bro, feel it. Is yours like this too? All squishy?
Yeah.
Squishy tight? I say we open up the patriotic sugar cookies, man.
Yeah, go ahead.
Look like animal crackers, kinda.
Oh, nice.
Oh. They're good too. Like animal crackers, basically.
Oh, we got a little torch. They really got some good food in here.
Not bad.
I think I'm gonna crack open the energy bar.
Go ahead. They make them Tucker proof.
Yeah, I know. I guess I can't be joining the military. There's goodness. It looks like a Cliff Bar.
That's dark.
That looks good. I gotta finish my bread. Chocolate peanut spread. This is probably for the bread.
Then do a little bit of this.
You trying to go cook?
Yep, let's go. Ooh. Smell that.
Yeah, it smells like
smell.
the stuff you get at lunch. Or not lunch, but like
That smells much better than lunch.
Chef
bro.
Boyardee. There really isn't that much food in them. They got the military people living on a diet.
There's a lot of other stuff in that pack though. It's
Yeah,
really
that's
full,
true.
and it's like calorie packed.
Oh, yeah.
While Tux is in the microwave, I'm gonna open mine. That's gonna be interesting. It's like a slab. See the slab I'm working with?
Yeah, with the
It smells
heat.
like some canned dog food or canned cat food, doesn't it? Doesn't it? Came out pretty clean. Tux is done now. Mine's in there. Wow. Whoa.
This is like the Gatorade powder.
Gatorade. Smells like the Gatorade powder too. That's a lot of powder.
A lot of powder.
We were both thinking it.
Oh my god.
Bro, yours looks cool. I barely made a mess.
As you guys saw, Tuck and I went and made our food. We got our drinks mixed, and we're gonna test it out.
Ready?
Hang on, test my drink. That smacks. We should have got an ice cube or two, but
Oh, that one.
smacks.
It tastes just like Gatorade. All right.
pretty much.
Here we go. Penne, vegetable spicy meat sauce.
Chicken. What was this one?
Chicken pesto. It's pretty good.
I'm liking this, bro. I like this.
Tastes just like, what do you call it? Chef Boyardee. Oh, hold up. Yeah. No,
Let's try it out.
yours is broke.
I'm aware. I'm getting a sip, bro.
No.
For how much powder was dumped into my drink, I think it's weak.
Really?
Mine's kind of weak. Not gonna lie. But you can't expect much from those drink mixes, you know. They never taste like a real Gatorade, like you bought the Gatorade at the store. All right.
Pretty snug.
It is. So for this, I have to open up my Italian breadsticks, the Guide Man exclusive. It looks like yours,
Yeah.
sort of, but these look weird. They got like oregano in them. I thought it was moldy at first, but no, we'd be alright.
Try them out.
I need some cheese spread or something, just cause. Here, I'll take a bite first. They're dry.
Really?
You
About
can eat
to
them.
open up the nut raisin pack. Got trail mix basically.
Does Dario watch? If you're in it?
Sometimes. I told her we're watching tomorrow, like some other videos. Oh yeah.
I have some good
this is
bits. Bro,
trail
what's
mix.
this cheese doing?
I don't know.
This cheese is not right. I don't know about my cheese spread here. Oh no. The
like
cheese
nacho
spread.
cheese.
Nacho cheese. It's not my cheese. The cheese spread tastes fine. If you guys ever have a chance to eat one of these MREs, I definitely recommend you do.
Yeah, I would definitely eat these again.
They're smack. How's your nut raisin blend?
Pretty good, bro. Tastes like some trail mix you get at the store.
I wonder if they can hear me. You're really complaining, bro.
You're sad.
He's dumb sad. Back on the commercial.
Oh, that's your problem. The cheese price is the same thing. Need package before opening it.
Need what? I've been touching it the whole night.
No, like this.
I know.
Did you do that?
A little bit.
Nah, that's your problem. Get a cookie.
Flat. Alright, I got a nice little lump on my cookie.
Tell me how it is.
It's definitely peanut like that.
Really?
You can taste the peanut in it. Like hardcore. If you're not a peanut fan, you might not like that. But it's definitely decent. The whole flavor combination combined reminds me of those peanut butter, like orange cookies with the peanut butter in between. That's exactly what it tastes like.
Oh, that's
Definitely.
good. That's
It is.
really good.
I know. I like it.
Kind of tastes like a Nutter Butter.
Doesn't it? That's why I was implying. I've been excited for this one. We have the apple turnover. This is what it's about right here. Hang on, I'll move my plate too. Oh, what's up then? What is this? What are we
That looks
talking?
good. I mean,
What you tripping?
I don't like apple turnovers, but
I don't know. Freshness packet. This is good.
really?
It's doughy though, like
Let me see it. Does look good.
it's good. I'm liking it. Really strong dough vibes, but there's definitely a prominent apple flavor in the mix too. I like it.
I think that's about everything, isn't it?
I think it is.
We tried everything.
We didn't make coffee and stuff, but
Nah.
that's doing the most. Alright, so thanks for watching another one of our videos. Tuck and I love doing these food videos, so if you guys enjoy watching them, make sure you go down below and smash that like button, drop us a like. It really means a lot. It helps for our feedback, and if you like them,
Give us some ideas for some more.
yeah, definitely comment down below some ideas. I mean, whatever you guys want. If you've seen it before, if you really want to see it, we'll see what happens down in the comments. Not a lot of people comment. I want to get more people commenting and liking, because that really gets us making the content you guys want to see. But if you're new, subscribe and definitely check out some other videos. We have tons of dope videos. Tucker and I tried these Japanese candies. It'll be in the top right hand corner of the screen, so make sure you go check it out. So once again, thank you so much for watching and giving us your time, because this was definitely a long video. I know it was. We filmed for a long time, like 20-30 minutes we've been filming, but it was a process, and we enjoyed opening all this stuff and showing it to you guys. This has been B. Terry Customs. Tucker and I are making great content as always. Thank you so much. We're out. Wow. I don't like light matches at all. I'm really
Especially not the ones like these.
They. Ooh, hot. I mean, those are sketch, bro. You broke that like a Supreme Patty joint.
It burns. About texting our babies. Sorry, we just had that MRE. Headed off to Afghanistan now.
Afghan. Add me on Snap, BradT12, to see all the behind the scenes content and exclusive videos.
Patriotic?
Oh, Liddy! That's Liddy! Watch Liddy.
2 in a row?
No way.
Oh!
Get your wishes, D-Dog. Damn bread.